Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. Sometimes people ask me the question how to use Illustrator files in their HTML documents. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So as you can see here, I have an Illustrator file that I made with just a bunch of scribbles. Now these are just random scribbles, they have no meaning, trust me on this one. In order to use this on an HTML file, I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Save for Web and Devices, and I'm going to make sure on the right side here either I have GIF, JPEG, or PNG checked. So I'm going to go ahead with PNG because that's my favorite image format, and then just click Save. Now I could save to the desktop or save anywhere, and once I have it saved, I can put that in my HTML file. I'm Omar and I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good day.